Join the community of more than 2 million Binomists who are investing online with Binomo. Start trading today with Binomo.
US President Joe Biden has invited 110 countries to a virtual summit on democracy on December 9th to 10th. According to a list posted on the State Department website, the summit excluded China, Turkey, and Russia. The list includes major Western allies of the US. It also includes India and Pakistan. The list includes Taiwan, which is likely to increase tension between US and China. In the South Asian region, Afghanistan, Bangladesh, and Sri Lanka have been excluded. Angola and Serbia made the list. From the Middle East, Israel and Iraq were included. The online gathering is an event Joe Biden vowed to host while a candidate for president last year, with the goal of rallying like-minded countries around efforts to fight corruption and authoritarianism and advance human rights. The inclusion of Taiwan is being considered the most controversial decision. That's because only a handful of nations, excluding the US, recognize it as sovereign. Inviting Taiwan follows a series of steps the Biden administration has taken in recent weeks to demonstrate its support for a key ally, even as it seeks to ratchet down tensions with Beijing, which claims the self-governing island as its own territory. Biden has frequently characterized democracy's battle against autocracies as an essential geopolitical challenge of the 21st century. In a speech to Congress in April, he said that the US must push back against China's leader Xi Jinping and other leaders who seek to show that their system of government is better for their people.